Tune in Tuesday, August 15th with guest Chris Tangey, an award-winning cinematographer and drone pilot who works for some of the best directors in Hollywood.
The thing with Werner when he's directing you is his most common thing is keep going, just keep going. And I love long shots, so we got on really well because he just wants, and to me, and I think he agreed, the most powerful movement a drone can make, or the most powerful shot, is actually just simply moving forward, because that's how our minds imagine flying. When you're dreaming, that's the way you fly. So that's something to always remember. If you're getting shots in any particular location, make sure you always get that one as well.
Watch the full episode at USDroneCast.com or on YouTube. You can also find USDroneCast on your favorite podcast platform.